Right. Today is over to the Leopard Man's place. Way in. Hatch is closed. Ropes adjusted. Paddles the right way around. Strapped in. And I've got about a mile to paddle across the strait. Wind's not too bad. It's not flat calm, but hey, that's the way it goes. Rod it down, because likely need it. Stable. Check. Rudder's working. Right, off we go. So, gotta go over the islands just on the left there. Watching for the shipping traffic as usual. And that clicking noise is the paddles. The oar bar in the middle, they click too, but it makes an annoying clicking noise every time I put the paddle in the water. So I think it's about 7 or 8 knot wind. I'm going to meet my mate on the opposite side of the strait. He's camping out there for the night, but I'm just making a quick trip over because I want to be out in the water for a bit. Bit of snow on the top of the Munros. It's about 4 degrees. It doesn't seem that bad. Wind's coming in from my left, so I'm just going to paddle a bit towards that. Use the wind to get around that little peninsula. So, head for the islands in the middle. Got to watch for the sunset. I've only got, 3 hours, so left myself an hour for getting there. Should be enough. And then hour for on the way back, and an hour 45 minutes for relaxing over there. Definitely tell the wind's pushing me. I'm getting some weird parallax on the island and the Munro behind. Not the worst I've been in. There's no whites at the moment, so that'll do me. No shipping traffic. That's good. Actually, it might be the tide pushing me a bit as well. Looks like it switched a little. So, head for this island, take a break. It's like a quarter mile or something. See what the water's doing. The wind is making it a bit difficult. Whew. Right. Oh, bird guano. I smell the guano. Got a seal watching me in the distance. Right, take a breather. That's a little bit done. So head into the wind. Bit of an arse because it's knackering. But then to make it a bit further across. Should be good. No shipping to the left there. No shipping to the right. Oh, that's tiring. So now we got head on in the sun, a bit blinding. Not gonna lie. I need to go across there. So here we go. No ships. Wind coming in from the left front. If it stays that way, it'll be nice and quick on the way back. To get down to the lock there, it's going to be calmer. So, by the looks of the buoy over to my right, the wind and the tide are both coming from the left. So I have to make sure I don't get blown sideways when I go around that corner. Oh yeah. Sorry for the heavy breathing, but I've got a sweat on now. Just starting to get a few whites there. Oh, that's showering. I think wow. Take a little moment. Whew. That's tiring. Wind has picked up. And now I'm trying to get to there, take a little break in the shelter. Oh man, it used to rudder a lot today. I wonder if the skeg's gonna help or just add a bit too much drag. Be a bit more than 7 knots an hour. I should get an anemometer. Maybe I should have brought a tent after all. Oh, you tiring bugger. Come on, you got this. Get around that corner. I think what it is the wind is sucking down over those Monroes. So therefore it's a bit faster. Right, I've got to take a wide left because I don't want to get put into those rocks. I'm aiming for that pylon. On the far bank to my right. Whew. Right, that's a turn, ever so slightly. Gotta watch those seals here as well. So I'm gonna get hit on the side for a bit. Well, that's a half mile. Oh yeah. Thought the wind would be a little better here, but it's not much. Oh, look at those views though. Stunning. Right, oh yeah. Turn left, you bugger. Come on. The blessing of this route is I get too knackered on the way back. I can always just go around a kayak and then walk back from there. It's about a mile and a half. Towing the kayak over the one of the biggest bridges around here, but it's an option. Right. Yeah, it's a little calmer here. Oh yeah. Oh, the views. About half a mile through now, I think. Ooh. Right. Welcome for that little drop of breeze. Right, so spot the tent. I think that's that over there. Leopard Man's place is there. We don't be doing the sideways wave at me. Not in this wind. Thinking about it, I could go all the way down to the end of the beast and go around the back of the peninsula that kayaking sits on. But right now it'll be mud flats, not water because it's low tide. Hey. Yeah, we get a few little white crests. Boy. Oh, good job I got a spray deck, because that would have been me soaked. Let's get rid of that water off there. Right, now we cut across. Yeah, that's one thing I recommend, and I've pretty much had one on every time I've gone out. I think indeed every time I've gone out, it's had the spray deck on. Because you do get wet, whether it's dripping off the paddles, even I got little anti-drip rings They're not going to catch everything. And then you get the occasional rogue side slap off a wave and you'd have soaked legs otherwise. So yeah, spray deck, wonderful thing. It's a little bit looser. I know that some people don't like them being too tight, but they're definitely a good thing. Right, so I've avoided the rocks and far enough away from them in case the wind picked up. You can see my target in front, but I'm not keen on these sideways waves. So, in this bit must be a bit of a different swell. If they seem a bit bigger, not little choppy ones. It's like a bigger wave under a smaller wave that's different this side. Like that one. It's just a little different. So, lovely. Right. Should be making that turn. Now I don't have to paddle back up into the wind. Oh. The waves are telling me to take a turn. I think I see the tent. Well, that's a little nicer. No big waves now. Ah, yeah, there. All the way in the distance. You won't be able to see him on the little action cam. All the way in the distance there, to the right of the pylon centre, isn't it? So, tell you what, it's only the second time I've done this. First time it was a lot calmer. And I know it seems quite calm now, but that wind has made it a bit, well, shattering. Just a tiny bit of wind. Oh, best empty the spray deck. Oh, yeah, I got a new one. It's puddles. Not keen on it puddling because I have to keep emptying the bugger. But I can wait for now. It's not so bad when there's no wind. Don't get much water in there. Oh, it's stunning out. Stunning. Whew. Tents up. We'll be having a great night tonight in that. It's different in the deeper water, that's for sure. The bigger swells, the bigger waves, they catch the paddle just so much more. And it's not like not predictable either. You kind of think you've got some water, and then the water disappears from underneath your paddle, and you're just paddling fresh air for a second. Waste a bit of energy, to be honest. Wait. Let's make my turn. Use the wind. Just help me across. Should get like a. Talked about this in the past. Should get like a little mini sail that you can put on the front. It's like if the wind's going the right direction, just have it with that little tow from the front. A little, I don't even know what they call them in a boat. Do. Oh, first strap on my knee. Right. So. I think the outcrop's there's Leopard Man's, or what was when he was alive. All the locals here have only but kind words to say for him. Eccentric, but apparently a really nice guy. He used to, so here, he used to do this 1 mile stretch just to get his shopping from the co-op in Kyle, because there's no roads into this place. The way you can get in is hiking around the access roads, if they're still there now, or kayaking in like this. Make that turn. So much calmer. Oh. Strange thing is, when you look at the view from Kyle to here, which is basically ocean crossing to Isle of Skye, you think, oh, that looks a long distance, and then you get down to the water, and then you realise how long of a distance that is. Because you'd be like me now, I've just paddled straight through that because I've had to get into the calm. But I don't know how long that's been, 45 minutes, I guess. But in those conditions, I don't think too bad. Not overdone myself, and that's the important thing for me. It's staying within your limits. So if at any point back there I thought, no, it's a bit too much for me this, I'd head back or to the nearest rest point and take a break. That's one thing. It's like all the stories I've heard throughout years, not even just while living up here. It is one thing to be confident, and then one thing to be overconfident. Whether it's in the ocean or on a mountain or a Munro, as they call them here, as I have started calling them, because home is here. Right, now if we get into shore, spot the rocks. Where the rocks, it's all weed. It's all seaweed. Right. Well, that was nice. If I wasn't warm, I'm warm now. Let's get into shore as much as possible, because it's still pretty cold. So less water I have on me, the better. Because it might be 4 degrees, but wind chill and cold ocean water doesn't make for a nice warm feeling. Thank you. Enjoy the camp.
I will.
Next time, I'll bring my tent.
I know, I thought you brought all your stuff, I was like, oh, fantastic.
Yeah. I was at. Well, yeah, give us a shout if you need anything. It'll take me like about an hour. Yeah, send the drone over. Yeah. Well, it's got beacons. It's got beacons. Yeah. I might give you a call later if I feel ambitious. Right, enjoy it, Steve. Oh, well, yeah. Yeah. Cup of tea time. Right, enjoy, Steve. Cheers. And we're off. Hello, bird. Back home before the sun sets. It's getting a bit nippy. And the tide is coming in. So I'm expecting to get a little bit wet on the way back. This is where the longer kayak would win. Boy. Oh, they're a bit bigger now. So I'm expected to get wet. What? glorious sunset. I'm chasing the light. Oh, a rest. Boy. Oh, that was a bubbly one. Well, the waves are different on the way back, that's for sure. They're bigger. Bobbling me about a bit. Oh, there's a big one. Another big one. Oh. And the tide's coming in. And I've got round the rocks. Head for the island, which are shipping traffic. None to the left, none to the right. Try and look over a mile in each direction, because those boats, they move quicker than you think. Getting some whites crashing. That's making it interesting. Straight for the island. Take a break. Alright, take a little left. Head for the harbour and jetty. And then let the wind do the rest. Oh. You have a little breather. No boats to the left. No boats to the right. Island in front. To the left and right. Glorious sunsets. What a nice trip out on Saturday. Whee. So that's the first half mile done. Lovely. Ooh. Should get me healthy. Boat behind me. Boat to the left of me. Well, it's going back the other way. It's all good. No boat wake. Happy days. Oh, I'm going to be ready for my tea and see home. This is my left turn. Oh, A lot of salt water in my mouth. Oh, lovely. Absolutely fucking lovely. Ah, heron. Oh no. Back to the pier. So the pier is interesting because this is between those two orange boys there. There's a gate, and that gate is where they put the cattle through. Bird poo, I can smell the bird guano. And all the herons. Wow, there's like 6 of them there. 5. 5 herons. So we take a little rest. Nope, 6. 6 of them. Oh. And the cormorant's beside me having a fish. So I'm just making for sunset. Awesome. Oh. Tell you what though, this time of year, water on the hands in the wind, gets your hands cold. Let's get some of that water off my spray deck. It's got absolutely pummeled with the water then. Oh yeah. Well, my feet got wetter standing on the bog in neoprenes than they did in the kayak. So now my feet are a bit cold, but sort that out when I get to shore. Get the towel out, dry my feet off, pack up and walk back up the hill with the kayak. Walk back across. That's even quicker on the way back. I'm not fighting the wind or the tide. I don't feel as knackered. So, yeah, go with the flow. As that famous guy once said. Be the water, my friend. Ah, Kyle. Gotta love Kyle. So get on land, pack everything up, let people know that I'm back on land, because that's important. Always let people know you're going out, and let them know when you get back. Make sure to stay safe and all that. There's a giant log washed up in the night. It's like bigger than my bloody fireplace. back. Oh, rudder up. Oh, rudder up. Rudder up. Oh. Right. Now to get myself out. Come on. Don't really want to be doing this sideways because I'm getting kicked about. So, try that again. Oh. As the tide's coming in. Might want a bit more. Oh, come on. Might want a bit more on the jetty there, on the slipway. So let's give this a do. Let's go for the stuff. And 1, 2. There we go. Water out. Do this before it tips sideways in the waves. We should be good. Water out. There's one wet foot. That'll do. We're done. Happy days.